Hello, I'm Paul Sellers. I'm a furniture maker with a passion for woodworking that spans well over 40 years. And now I'd like to welcome you to my workshop here in Penrhyn Castle in North Wales. In this series I will be showing you the secret techniques used by generations of master craftsmen. Simple methods that have been mystified and lost over the centuries until now. Techniques that will make your woodworking easier, faster and better than before. I've been a master craftsman for over 40 years now. Whether simply shaping a spoon with my 5-year-old son or making fine furniture for presidents, I always use the same easy-to-learn techniques. In the Artisan series, I'll take you where you want to be with your woodworking. Using a structured program of learning, you will create strong joints. You'll shape wood quickly. You'll master accuracy, sharpness, and technique. In this video, I'll be showing you the fundamental importance of learning to work with the grain of wood. When you advance to higher levels of woodworking, you'll still find yourself using the same techniques that I'll be showing you now. You'll need a handful of basic tools to follow my methods throughout this course. You're going to master the tools that have been used throughout the centuries and are as relevant now as they were then. In the first project, I'll introduce you to one of woodworking's best kept secrets: how to cut curves like a master in just a few seconds. Our second project is the spoon. This is where we perfect the principles of reading the grain and shaping the wood. Next, we make a bowl. This project is all about using the gouge. The tools you use soon become familiar to you, and with practice you'll become highly skilled in using them effectively. Each stage of this video will build the skills that will enable you to make the final project, the stool. And this will all be achieved with accuracy, sharpness and technique. You can make just about anything that has ever been made out of wood using 3 basic joints and just a few hand tools. Whether on display as basic design features or hidden behind ornate panels, these 3 joints can be found almost everywhere we look. And throughout your woodworking life, you'll probably reach for the same set of tools every day you work with wood. On this video, I'll be showing you some of the most essential tools you need to follow this course. They're all as effective as they are inexpensive. I'll also be showing you how to achieve a perfect joint every time, using the 3 basic joints which form the basis of all woodworking.